Wait, are you telling me you don't have your own little stream mascot like Dr. Chills down here? You see how sad that makes him? I can't believe it. Let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go. Does your stream need healing? You've come to the right place. My name is Dr. Heals. I am your content cleric, and I'm going to teach you how to get your very own stream mascot, just like Dr. Chills down here. They are called a Kappamon, and I'm going to show you how to get one and how to set it up and how to make it do really cool things like, you know, this when someone says GG, or maybe how to have someone set up their own command like this. So your chat can get their own personal commands for your stream avatar. We're gonna be doing that with something called Kappamon. But hey guys, if you find this interesting, do me a favor, come over and hang out with me sometime on Twitch. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Link will be down in the description. All right, let's get to it. All right, once you load up Kappamon.com, you're gonna come, this will be the website right here. You wanna log in with Twitch. If you don't have a Twitch, get one first and then come back. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this only works on Twitch. I apologize if you didn't realize that coming in, but I'm gonna assume it only works on Twitch. So go and sign in with your Twitch. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like once you get logged in. You're gonna have all this information. You have your stream URL right here. Right here you can click show and copy this. This is what you're gonna put in as a browser source in OBS, but I'll show you how to do that in just a moment as well. This will be the size, the 650 by 400. We'll have a referral URL, which I'll make sure I throw mine down below. I don't know what this gets me, but we'll try it out. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to your collection. These are all of the Kappamon that you currently have. As you see right there is Dr. Chills in all of his glory, right? If you want others, you'll go over here to Marketplace, and you'll see several of these are free. And so right there you can take a look at his stuff. So this is his little animations. There's the gingerbread man, how he greets. Here's his dance. As you see, some of them do cost. If you look at this right here, this is the actual currency. You have to buy this. This is how you actually pay them money, which I do encourage you to do. Incredible program what they do. I had intended to buy a couple of these, but my chat has really fallen in love with Dr. Chill, so I can't imagine replacing him at this point. So here are some other free ones. You again would choose whichever one you want. Always like the ghost and the little dinosaur. That's just me. But yeah, choose whichever one you want. You see there's 6 pages of them. You'll notice that some of them even have extra animations that you can unlock for them. So this one, this little panda bear has a sad animation. But as you get through here, you'll see all kinds of other cool stuff. Some of them have mutations. So let's look at the pug here. It's just different colors. There's the dark pug. So that's all it is. There's the dark pug with, I guess I can show you with Dr. Chills real quick. You'll see with Dr. Chills, one of the mutations you get is the jersey, which is what Dr. Chills has. He always keeps the jersey. I believe I'm actually doing a little bit of editing to him to make his jersey purple. If you wanted my secret on that one. I'm doing a color correction in OBS to make his jersey purple. Okay, but from here, you choose the one you want, you go to collection, and you set him as active, right? So that's how you get him on stream. Now from here, you would go back to your profile, close that again, and click show, use that stream URL and add it as a browser source. Again, I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But before we do that, I'll show you how to add custom commands, because really, you really want it to be able to, you know, cry if someone says rip in chat, you know, just like Dr. Chills is, and do all this different stuff. So I'll show you how to set those up. We'll go ahead and create a new one. Let's say, we want to create one if someone says Kappa, we'll have him dance, okay? So the command is just going to be called Kappa, right? But actually I just want to do it anytime someone says Kappa, we'll have him do this, okay? So the message one, you would have, this is whatever you wanted to say, or you can have up to 3. Now I have a command, I'll hit it real quick, called dad joke. Anytime someone types dad joke, just like that, he tells a dad joke. And I have 3 of them in here. So it randomizes, I go and replace them from time to time. But there we go. At this point, you would just have him say Kappa. And you can rotate whatever you want him to say. You can have him pop up an image. And now what do we want him to do? If someone says Kappa, I think I want him, let's have him do let's have him dance. We'll have him dance. The type is gonna trigger that. There's also a keyword or scheduled. That's where if you want to set it on timer, where he does something, I have a couple timers set up that he does, but we won't worry about that right now. Someone says Kappa, he's gonna dance. We'll have him dance for, 5 seconds, and we'll set the cooldown for 10 seconds so that it just doesn't get spammed. Now I'll click save. Okay, just like that, you have your custom commands. It's really not that difficult. Now we'll go on over to profile, and I'm gonna tell it not to show me this again. All right, from here we will use our stream URL. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy it. Now that I have my stream URL, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my Kappamon. Okay, so I'm gonna drag my OBS over. Sorry for the little bit of stream inception we're having here, but best way to do it. Whatever scene you want him in, you're gonna click browser source. And I'm gonna say Kappamon. I'm just gonna say Kappamon 2 because I already have one. You're just gonna paste that source right there. Now you're gonna change that size to whatever they said the size was. Okay, now you're gonna set this to the correct size, which was 650 by 400. Right there it is. You don't really need to change anything here. Just click OK. You see it's taking a minute to load, and there is another Dr. Chills. Let's make Dr. Chills actually a little bit larger. And I'll show you guys how to do a quick coloration with him, how I did my color. So here I right click, I went to filters, and then I did a color correction, just like this. And I did a hue shift, kind of change his color. I think I just went a little bit, and I think I maybe brought my brightness. I brought my brightness down just a little bit, something like that. Contrast it up just a little bit. Adjust that hue just a little more. And from here you can kind of play with it, get it looking roughly how you want. I think it's close to how I have mine. And there he is. That's exactly how I do it. And just like that, that's how you get your very own stream mascot, just like Dr. Chills. From here, what I would do is have your chat help you name him. Build up a little personality, add in some more things that makes him him, maybe some timers. If you're a little guy, if he's really a jerk, just add in some timers where he randomly says, you know, kind of rude things, or randomly says funny things, or if he's loving, have him randomly say loving things, and just add a bunch of little things in there like that your chat, they watch out for. And they're like, oh, I can't believe, you know, Dr. Chills just said that. Like, build him up as his own character. It's so much fun, and I absolutely encourage you guys to financially support the guys over at Kappamon. It's incredible what they do. So, you know, buy one of them, or whatever it looks like for you. They do incredible work. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this, if you have any trouble with it, come over and hang out with me sometime on Twitch. Again, twitch.tv/drhills. Stream pretty late at night, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Would love to have you guys over there. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're putting out videos just like this literally every week. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. All right. No. No, thank you. No, thank you.